What's up, everybody? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to spy on LinkedIn competitor ads. All right, welcome back. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, bang that notifications bell. We are a channel on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, paid traffic, Amazon FBA, and Shopify, etc. We teach it all over here. So I just put together a blog post here. I got to update this featured image, but I was doing a little bit of spying on LinkedIn ads. We're running some traffic on LinkedIn, trying it out, seeing if we can get any traction, and thought I'd put together a nice little blog post for you guys on how to do the spying. Very similar to the Facebook ads library, LinkedIn has kind of countered with something that you can see the competitor ads and whatnot. So move this out of the way. This is a software you can use to scrape LinkedIn profiles and get emails of like your first connects, but I'm not really using it right now, so license is expired. Anyway, so the first thing you want to do is either, if you know who your competitors are and if you know if they're advertising on LinkedIn, you want to search them. Let's just go here to the feed, and I'm sure we're going to come across an ad here eventually. So let's see if we can get to an ad, and I'll show you what to do here. Let's see. Usually it's about 4 or 5 down. We run into an ad. Promoted. Okay, so see, this is an ad here. Veeam or Vam? I don't know. Veeam looks like. Anyway, Veeam is an ad here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on the actual company page. Okay, and then you're going to scroll down over here to the bottom left, and that's going to say ads. So click on that, and this is going to start showing all your active ads. Okay, now I think they keep this kind of up to date till about 6 months, and it's very possible that some of these ads are not running right now, and some of them probably are. Okay, so what you want to do, I mean, these look very corporate to me. They're definitely probably put on by like an agency or an intern of some sort. I mean, they're just basically stock images. There's nothing to me here on this particular page that really makes me want to click. It's not like a scroll stopper. I mean, this is just some words over like a transparent type of image, and nothing exciting. Now here's a video ad. They have a decent amount of followers here. Look, 134,000, so it's pretty good. Now this is a little bit more exciting here to me, this video ad. So this obviously has some kind of social proof that it does back up your Office 365. It looks like probably a pretty good software. I mean, they're running a lot of ads here. So let's click up here on the little 3 bars, and let's go and copy this link to post. So we're going to copy that, and then we're going to open up another tab here. So we're going to click on open a tab, and then just paste that. And then this is where we're going to be able to see the actual ad itself in action. Okay, so here's the video, and then this is where you want to go in and start looking at the engagement here. Okay, you see it here. There's a number of reactions, and then you got your top comments. There's been 4 comments, 47,000 views. Okay, so this thing's obviously been spread around a little bit. They are paying to get this viewed. Only 4 comments, which is not a lot, but it's LinkedIn. It's not as social as like a Facebook or whatnot. But this is basically where you'd want to go in and read the comments here. Most live and die in their email. This is kind of a true statement. Veeam works great. Glad we have it. So okay, so this is some good social proof. So this is if you're in the software space and maybe you're a competitor to VM software, then you'd want to maybe go ahead and model this particular video, because they are getting some social proof here. People are commenting that it's good software. I think this video ad looks pretty good. It's definitely done very professionally. Basically, the image that I'm getting from this video is like you can relax, have fun, enjoy your life, and not have to worry about your email. So I got that just from this little probably 30-second video. Like, hey, I'm doing sports, I'm having a beer, I'm laying out on my hammock, I'm hiking, I'm don't have to worry about anything because the backup's all taken care of. Okay, so just from that little looks like 15-second video, I got all that, and that's good. Okay, so that's the image that we got across. So in terms of marketing goes, this is solid to me. Okay, I think it's a lot better than their image ads, which we took a look at here. Notice we had like just some basic image ads. This looks very stock imagey to me. I'm going to guess, let's go in and take a look at this ad and compare it to this one here, the video ad. And I'm going to guess there's not nearly as much engagement on this ad. And, oh no, this one's got a ton of engagement, which is kind of weird. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. So 1,432 likes and 59 comments. The only thing I can think here is maybe this one probably had a lot. Maybe they ran the heck out of this ad, or they're running the heck out of this ad compared to the video ad, because they're getting a lot of comments here. Okay, so this is getting a lot of engagement. So I stand corrected. Maybe this is a winner on LinkedIn. Or it could have just be one that they're just running a lot of traffic to. Okay, maybe that video ad that I showed you a second ago is a newer ad, and it hasn't obviously had as many impressions as this particular ad. So this ad to me is getting a ton of engagement. Okay, 1,432 likes it looks like, and 59 comments. So this is a winner. I mean, most likely, unless they're just one of those companies that's just trying to get the brand out there, and they're just blowing money, and they don't really care about the how many actual leads they're getting, or how many actual customers are getting. They're just spending money to get the brand awareness out there, and that's very possible too. A lot of these startups out there, they get a big budget from a venture capitalist, or they have some seed funding of some sort, or they actually have an owner that has a lot of money. And what they do is they just go out there and just blow money on branding to get their brand name out there, and they just run the heck out of ads, whether they're really getting an ROI on those ads or not. In my world, affiliate marketing, as you guys know, we can't do that, because if we blow a bunch of money, then we lose, and that goes out of our bank account. The whole idea for us is to run an ad and get a payout, an affiliate, a CPA payout higher than what we spent on the advertising, and then we keep the margin. So say, for example, it was $45 CPA to acquire a customer or get a lead, and we spent $30 on to get that lead via advertising on Facebook, LinkedIn, Snapchat, whatever, and we keep that margin of $15. Okay, that's how CPA marketing works. But these brands, it's a whole different world. Okay, a lot of these brands don't have they're not as critical on making that acquire a customer number isn't as important to them. Yeah, they need to keep it within a certain KPI, I'm sure, within metrics, but at the same time, they probably have a huge budget, and they can spend X amount of dollars to get that customer, and they're not like affiliate marketers where we're running on a thin margin. Okay, so keep that in mind. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my LinkedIn spying demo. Unfortunately, you can't really see the targeting on here. They don't really give you anything but the only really thing you have is you can go in and look at the post, and you can kind of see the engagement. But as far as the targeting goes, you can't see all that like you can on Facebook. But you can get an idea of what's working and what's not based on what I showed you in this video. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. And if you haven't checked out my latest video on FlickTech, check it out over here. This is cool software. You need to check it out. Thanks.